This is the unboxing of the brand new MacBook Pro 2020 that we got at St. Paul's School. All the teachers are getting one of these. So we're pretty excited. Look, these are previous generation computers from another year. I think they're from last year.
Oh, yuck.
So my hands are, I'm gonna have to sanitize with that old dust.
Ugh.
Oh,
Gross.
oh, sorry about that. So, what's up? Look at the beautiful packaging. Everything is nifty and tight. I'm going to proceed to pull on the tab here to release pressure and unbox. Look at the perfection of the packaging. I mean, this is it's poetry.
It's what you expect from Apple.
Oh yeah, of course. So I think I'm gonna pull on these tabs here, like so. That'll release the little perforations on the box. And here we have it. Oh wow, look at this thing.
Oh, wow.
Can everyone see that okay?
Yeah.
Here, let's compare it to this one. As far as sizing.
Well, it definitely has less roses.
Yeah, definitely has less roses.
Much less roses.
Not as thick.
Size is pretty
So,
similar,
yeah,
I
the
think.
size is similar.
13-inch?
However, very big difference. Watch this. This has 2 USB-C ports and then no USB-Cs on this side. This one is all USB-C ports on the left and the right.
Oh.
So you can attach more things easily without running out of ports, and you can easily run out of ports on that on that one. This is a MacBook Air and this is a MacBook Pro, so they are different.
So a little heftier, too.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Jinx.
I owe you a Coke.
There it is.
Do you want to go ahead and pull on this?
Oh, yeah.
It's quite lovely.
Oh, even the paper's nice.
It is. I usually keep these for gifts. And there it is, loading up. So it brings this little fingerprint reader here on the side, and it's got the touch bar here. So whatever you're doing on your computer, it'll give you choices. Look at how those choices
wow.
pop up right away.
Yeah.
Go ahead and choose English here.
Oh, I see.
You see, so now it turns into a volume bar,
Oh.
brightness. It'll adjust, depends on what you're doing. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the brand new MacBook Pro 2020. Can't wait to get to work on this thing.